Hello, networking enthusiasts. Welcome to the channel God of Networking. Today, I will show you how to assign IP addresses in SONiC. As we know, in SONiC, all the ports are in layer 3 and all ports have been assigned default IP addresses. Now, I will go into SONiC. Here, first of all, I will show you the status of IP interfaces by using command show IP interfaces. As we can see here, all the ports have assigned default IP addresses. Like the default IP address of Ethernet 0 is 10.0.0.0. The default IP address of Ethernet 4 is 10.0.0.2. So if we want to use our own IP, first we have to remove this default IP. Now I will remove this default IP by using command sudo config interface IP remove Ethernet 0 10.0.0.0/31. Oops, in Ethernet. Okay. Now I will remove the default IP address of Ethernet 4 at 10.0.0.0. Now again I will check the status of IP interfaces by using command show IP interfaces. As we can see here, Ethernet 0 and 4 are not listed in the table. The default IP addresses have been removed. Now I will assign my own IP that I want to use in my topology by using command sudo config interface IP add Ethernet 0 192.168.10.2/24. For Ethernet 4, like 10.3. Now I will again check the status of IP interfaces by using command show IP interfaces. So as we can see here, those IP addresses that we want to use in our topology have been assigned. So if we want to save these configurations, we can use the following command sudo config save y. So our configurations have been saved in the file config.db.json, which is present in directory /etc/sonic. Now I will check the status of these IP interfaces in the config.db. Now I will go into config.db cat /etc/sonic/config.db.json. Here I will check the status of those interfaces here. Actually, it is a very long config.db, so it is taking some time. Yes, here we can see the configurations have been saved in this file, and here are those IP addresses that we have assigned, and this is actually config.db. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you want more videos like this, kindly subscribe my channel.